Number 1. 1976 Chevrolet Malibu Classic. Price $1,000. Located Canutillo, Texas. Kicking off the list is a budget-friendly classic project, the 1976 Chevrolet Malibu Classic. This mid-70s American coupe comes with its original body and chassis still in solid shape, finished in a tan exterior paired with a brown interior. It's equipped with an automatic transmission, but currently comes without a drivetrain, making it an ideal platform for a race build or full custom project. The Malibu was one of Chevrolet's most popular midsize cars during the 1970s, known for its clean lines and strong body structure, perfect for restoration or performance builds. If you're hunting for an affordable classic shell with serious potential, this Malibu could be the perfect starting point. Number 2. 1977 Chevrolet El Camino. Price $3,000. Located Duncan, Oklahoma. Next up is a unique American classic that blends the style of a car with the utility of a pickup, the 1977 Chevrolet El Camino. With around 63,700 miles on the clock, this gray classic is powered by a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering that smooth vintage cruising experience. The vehicle reportedly runs and drives, and it comes with a current tag and a clean title, making it a ready-to-enjoy classic. Introduced in the late 1950s, the El Camino became an icon of American automotive culture thanks to its distinctive coupe utility design. For enthusiasts looking for something different that still turns heads at every stoplight, this El Camino is a great classic pickup alternative. Number 3. 1984 Dodge D150 Long Bed. Price $2,000. Located Weatherford, Texas. Here we have a solid square body era workhorse, the 1984 Dodge D150 Long Bed. Finished in blue inside and out, this classic pickup features an automatic transmission and comes with about 50,000 miles on the odometer. The truck currently has a no-spark issue, but several parts have already been replaced and it comes with 4 brand new tires, extra door panels, and fresh window seals. Many lights and components are already working, making this a promising project. Dodge's D-Series trucks from the 1980s were known for their durability and simple mechanical design, perfect for DIY restorations. With the title in hand and plenty of potential, this D150 could become a great classic truck project. Number 4. 1975 Chevrolet Scottsdale. Price $1,500. Located Minden, Louisiana. Rolling in with vintage pickup attitude is the 1975 Chevrolet Scottsdale. Part of Chevy's legendary C/K truck lineup, the Scottsdale trim offered a step up in comfort while keeping the rugged work truck DNA. This truck is described as being in fair used condition and comes with a title, making it a straightforward project for classic truck enthusiasts. Trucks from this era are loved for their bold square body styling, durable frames, and simple mechanics. Whether you're dreaming of a restoration, a shop truck, or a weekend cruiser, the 1975 Scottsdale offers a great entry point into classic Chevy truck ownership. At this price point, it's hard to ignore the vintage appeal and potential waiting under the hood. Number 5. Vintage Ford Truck Camper Shell. Price $400. Located Claremore, Oklahoma. Here's something a little different for classic truck lovers. A vintage Ford truck camper shell originally fitted to a 1975 Ford F-150 long bed. This piece offers that authentic retro look perfect for period-correct truck builds. The camper shell is reported to be in good used condition, making it a great accessory for anyone restoring or customizing a classic Ford pickup. Accessories like this are becoming harder to find, especially ones that still match the vintage style of 1970s trucks. If you're building a classic truck project and want that authentic old-school utility look, this camper shell could be the perfect finishing touch. A small price for a piece of vintage truck history. Number 6. 1958 Ford F-250 Long Bed. Price $1,000. Located West Cliff, Colorado. Up next is a true piece of vintage American truck history, the 1958 Ford F-250 Long Bed. This classic heavy-duty pickup comes with a rugged 4-speed manual transmission and the solid long-bed work truck design that defined Ford's late 50s trucks. Finished in a simple gray exterior and interior, the truck shows its honest working heritage. The engine is currently missing, but the manual transmission is still in place and the truck comes with a clean Colorado title, making it an excellent restoration candidate or custom-build platform. The late 1950s F-Series trucks helped establish Ford as a leader in the pickup market. For builders and classic truck fans, this could be an affordable entry into a legendary vintage truck project. Number 7. 1982 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Regular Cab. Price, $1,500. Located, Victoria, Texas. Here we have a classic square-body favorite, the 1982 Chevrolet Silverado C10. Powered by a 305 small-block V8 paired with a 3-speed transmission, this truck represents one of the most beloved generations of Chevrolet pickups. Finished in a bold purple exterior with a brown interior, this truck definitely stands out. It does need some work, including a radiator, carburetor, and tires, but it already comes with a new fuel pump, new battery, and several interior pieces. The square-body Chevy trucks from the late 70s and early 80s have become extremely popular among collectors and builders. With the right attention, this Silverado could easily transform into a great classic street truck or weekend cruiser. Number 8. 1973 Ford F100 XLT. Price, $3,000. Located, Quinlan, Texas. Next up is a classic American workhorse, the 1973 Ford F100 XLT. This truck is powered by a 351 engine paired with an automatic transmission, representing the tough and dependable trucks that Ford built during the early 1970s. The truck has already received a few updates, including a new windshield and resealed rear glass, and new shocks ready to be installed. Like many classics of this age, there is some rust present, and the engine currently has 2 dead cylinders while the transmission may need rebuilding. The 1973 model year marked the beginning of Ford's 6th-generation F-Series, known for its durability and bold styling. For classic truck enthusiasts, this F100 offers plenty of restoration potential. Number 9. 1953 Ford F100 Short Bed. Price, $2,500. Located, Tuttle, Oklahoma. Now we step even further back in time with a beautiful vintage project, the 1953 Ford F100 Short Bed. Powered by a classic flathead V8 and paired with a manual transmission, this truck represents one of the most iconic designs in early American pickup history. The engine currently does not run, but it turns freely, which is always a promising sign for restorers. It still retains its factory radio and the original speaker mounted above the windshield, adding to its authentic vintage charm. Early 1950s Ford F-Series trucks are highly respected among collectors thanks to their timeless styling. With the right restoration, this 1953 F100 could easily become a stunning classic showpiece. Number 10. 1984 Chevrolet 1500 Regular Cab. Price, $2,800. Located, Edmond, Oklahoma. Closing out the list is another square-body classic, the 1984 Chevrolet 1500 Regular Cab. Known for its tough frame and timeless design, this generation of Chevy trucks has become one of the most sought-after classic pickups today. This white classic comes with an automatic transmission and a clean title. While the truck is currently not running, the engine turns freely and a new carburetor is ready to be installed. It also comes with 4 newer tires, giving the next owner a solid starting point. Square-body Chevrolets from the 1980s continue to grow in popularity among collectors. With a little mechanical work, this truck could easily return to the road as a dependable and stylish classic pickup.